In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture in a shape on Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, adding a bit of creativity can certainly make your slides stand out. This tutorial will help you transform your images by masking them into unique shapes, making your slide deck more appealing and engaging. Let's start by heading over to Google Slides. If you're not already logged into your Google account, take a moment to sign in. This is your starting point, the home page of your Google Slides. Here, you have the option to either create a new presentation by clicking on a blank presentation or choosing a theme that suits your project. Starting with a blank canvas is fine if you wish to add your personal touch from the ground up, but themes can save you some time by giving you a preset design base to work with. Once your presentation is open, you'll want to select the image you wish to work with. It might be a photo stored on your computer or something you found online and saved for this purpose. After your image is ready to go, your next step is to click on the image to highlight it within Google Slides. This selection is crucial as it provides you with an array of editing options specifically for that image. Once your image is selected, it's time to bring in some creativity by masking your image into a shape. You'll find the mask image option on the toolbar near the top of your Google Slides workspace. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of choices and allow you to transform the outline of your image into different forms. For today's tutorial, we're going to focus on using shapes. When you click on shapes, a drop-down menu will appear with numerous options to choose from. Common shapes like rectangles, circles, stars, and more are available for you to explore and use to bring a unique touch to your image. For instance, we're going to select the circle shape, which is quite popular for creating a profile or logo-like appearance. Once selected, your image will immediately conform to the boundaries of the circle shape. You'll see how it smoothly transforms and presents a polished, professional look. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance the aesthetics of your slides. And there you have it, a picture beautifully masked into a shape on Google Slides. Remember, customizing your images with these steps not only improves the visual appeal, but also helps keep your audience's attention. Keep experimenting with different shapes and images, and you'll soon be creating slides that are not only informative, but also visually captivating. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in elevating your Google Slides presentations.